Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know about the use of People app in Windows 10. In order to access People app, you first need to open your Outlook account. In order to open Outlook, you just need to write in the search bar of your Windows Outlook, and here you see at the top I have Outlook app. So I click enter on my keyboard to open Outlook app. And here in the left column, this is your People app. The People app in fact works as your address book. If I click on it, it will open all my addresses which I have saved into People app. You can export the list of your contacts in your People app by clicking on this button, and similarly can import addresses from other apps. If you have saved your contacts somewhere in CSV file, you can import those to your People app. If you put your cursor on a given contact, it shows email, chat, and then the three dots. And clicking on the three dots enables you to edit, add to list. You can make lists, you can make a category, you can email, chat, call, etc. These are the different options available that you can do with a given address. And if I want to edit, I click on the edit and it opens this page. This you from here you can add a picture, you can change name, you can add last name, and here is email. The phone is presently deactivated, but I think you can add the phone number as well. And then this is the contact information. You can go to work tab, to address tab, to other tabs, and from here you can add note to your contact, special notes if there is any. And if you come here to this side, this is applicable to all the contacts in your list. If I click on this on these three dots, you see here name and contact info. They are by default ticked, and you cannot switch them off. And you can add other category, other info like category. If I click on it, here is category column. If I click on this, it adds company columns, and if I add this, it adds office columns. So you see here it shows the company column of my contacts. One is from Quaid-e-Azam University, this one is from QAU Quaid-e-Azam University, this is from ComScience University. And if you are not interested to show these information, you can uncheck these boxes, and so those columns are removed from here. Now if you select a contact, like I click on this, these tabs are activated. So these are the different call, you can chat, email, delete. And if I uncheck, those tabs become inactive. And from here you can add a new contact, clicking on it. You can add the name, address, position, last name. You can add other information like title, middle name, suffix, next name, and so on. These are the other titles, the other information or tabs available for. And here you will add a work email so that you could email the person. I don't want any, so the People app is also directly available. If you come to your start menu and you click on calendar, so the People app is also available in calendar. You see here I'm in calendar, and again here is the People app, so you can modify the People app from calendar as well. So this way you can benefit from the People app. It is in fact your address book. Thanks for watching Safi Mixed.